Welcome! In front of me I have Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets and scroll until you see this widget with the menu. Basically you have icons going around, and in the middle you have the settings. You should see one of the icons that looks like this. This is the language icon. You have the orange icon with the letters on it. Tap on this icon. It will open the language menu, and here we have the list of languages. We can select and apply. Find the language you would like to apply on your watch. Then select it by tapping on it. Tap on the check mark to confirm, and the language should be applied. So if we open something like sport menu, you will see that the language is changed. And of course, once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.